Now before we do anything, we're going to have a little bit of a moment of reflection and remembrance of this Windows 95 computer, because there's no way in hell I'm ever going to be able to get Windows 95 back on this thing, so... Boy, we installing slackware! Serial drivers, serial ports, RAM disk, initialize, blah blah blah. HDA. So this actually is our hard drive we have in here. It's a Toshiba MK1926FCV, 777 megabytes with a 128 kilobyte cache. IDE, don't know what that could be, but floppy, that's probably the drive. There's the floppy. Let's give it a try. Compressed image found at block 0. Data CRC error. Press enter. Transaction block size. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, fuck! Alright, text.gz dd'd onto the disk. Found a block 0. Okay, it's doing this again. Okay, let's try the Snoopy CD. Let's see if it gives me shit. Well, it's not saying anything yet. Oh! Oh, hey! Snoopy to the rescue! Okay, so that's very straightforward and basic. Let's partition our drives. I'm gonna turn. Oh, P for print. Okay, so device HDA1. It's got a 16-bit DOS system. That's Windows 95. We're gonna just go ahead and delete 1 Where's the type? Toggle DOS, L. I think it's 82, let me check. Oh no, it's different. Oh wait, it is 82, yeah. So what is fdisks? Change the partition system ID, is that it? T, partition 2, 82, swap. Okay, cool. Right. Why not AP? So AP. Well, before I get away, before I start doing this, I should probably check to see how big each of these are. Kernels, live, contents. Where would this be? Would it be in slackware? Ah, is this it? What's going on? You probably can't see this because Dell monitor that for some reason, two identical monitors, one has bars, one doesn't, not sure why. Anyway, this one always has bars. It's a piece of shit. But basically there's 9 disks required for just A, for just the base system. X is 26 disks. Incorrect disk. Insert disk A1. Well, I think I'm fucked. I don't know what it wants. I put the files from disk, the A1 folder, into that disk. I couldn't DD them because it doesn't let you can't do that. You can't DD a directory. I don't know what kind of format it wants it in. I don't know why there can't, why is there no images? Why can't I just have A1 image and it has everything on it already? It's an image, a disk image I can burn. It's giving me the files. I don't want the files. I don't give a shit about the files. I just want the damn actual image. Let's install a really good operating system. Let's install a really cool operating system. Let's install OS 2 version 1. Nokia! Oosh. Press enter to continue. The following screens will guide you through installing Microsoft Operating System 2 on a fixed disk. In addition to the Microsoft Operating System 2 diskette, you should have Microsoft Operating 2 diskette 1 through 4 before starting. Press enter. For help, press F1. We are going to install a really cool operating system. A really neat and fun operating system. An operating system commonly known as AT&T System 5 UNIX. Will it work this time? Hey! Starting MS-DOS! Wow! Banana? What? Okay. Okay. So now we're installing DOS 6.22. I skipped recording me formatting the drive because it's literally what you have to do, if you have a blank hard drive with nothing on it or some other system on it, you can't just put in the DOS setup disk 1. You have to go get a boot disk, a MS-DOS boot disk, which is fine. You can go get one of those, and once you have a boot disk, then you just have to format your drive with the S flag. So you just literally type format C. Well, first thing you're gonna need to do is go into F disk and then format your disk. Just wipe it out. Just delete the partition, then create a new MS-DOS partition. So that way you have a C drive. Then once you have that C drive, there's not going to be a file system on it. So then you type format /S colon or C colon, and then enter, and it'll format C, and everything will be good. Okay, so now it wants me to insert disk 2. If you have a 386 or higher processor, optimize your PC memory by typing memmaker at the command prompt. Oh my gosh. It's nice. Oh jeez, I kicked my camera when I was getting up. Whoops. I've got to walk all the way across the room to get the floppy out of the other computer to put it into this one. Because I'm an asshole and I don't have more than like 2 working floppy disks apparently, even though they all should work in Windows. None of them work half the time. What's it say now? Oh, antiviruses, man. DOS viruses, yeah. Those are really destructive. Those could blow your whole house up. Improved undelete. Yeah, remember undelete? I don't. Oh, jeez, that's not good. Don't fail me now, Snoop. Boy. Well, I guess this disc doesn't like me, apparently. Snoopy does. Snoopy works. Never gonna have that game again, but Snoopy works, that's for sure. Here's something cool. Right here, I've got actually freeware Mario, like an actual real copy, like a legit disc. Like this is VGA Mario, like wow. MS-DOS is installed on the computer. To restart your computer, press enter. To learn more about MS-DOS features, type help what's new at the command prompt. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Wow. If I'll do in. And will it play audio is a real good question. So far it's not fucking doing anything. Oh, hey. Yes. VGA. Ooh, I actually have a Sound Blaster disc I'll put in later. PC, yeah, let's just PC single voice sounds. No. It should play the music through the PC, yeah. Sick. Yay! Should we install this first or wait till we have 3.1 installed? Are you kidding me? Okay, edit works. Read me for Sound Blaster. There's some huge, massive, like, thing you have to run, like a command to make it actually run correctly, but who knows? Who knows? Let's see.
Hello there, hello there, hello there.
Oh
hello
gosh. Well, Sound Blaster does work. That's just the test. I'm not installing it until I have Windows installed, because that way I have it won't, Windows won't fucking break my auto exec file, because I know that'll happen if I install it later. So shut up. Dot dot dot. Doing so. Oh, there we go. Hey, yeah, Windows for Workgroups 3.11. How Windows is set up. Custom or not custom? We'll go with easy. Hey. Well, I guess this is just gonna take forever, or maybe not. Wow, it's copying, that's for sure. I like on the video. It's got the whoop 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 whoop. That's the screen refreshing. Okay, apparently it only needs the first 2 discs to get to this point. So, full name. Shy. Company. Globoplex. Inc. Product number. 111-111. 111. Yeah, sure, that'll work. Right? Continue. Wow, it didn't give me any shit for that serial. Wow. Okay, neat. That's it's interesting. That's Microsoft quality right there. It's unreal. So it's copying things again. And it doesn't really seem to be doing much. It's at 1%. It's doing something. Copying Win386.exe, so that's good. This is a good thing. This is good, man. This is what we want. Oh, draw disk 3. Okay, let's put disk 3 in. Disk 3. Okay. Continue. Oh, it's got the Argyle wallpaper. Sweet, that's my favorite. It wants me to set up a network. No network installed, because there is no network. There are no network ports on this computer at all whatsoever. So, continue. It'll probably want disk 7, or it'll just load the OS. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Set up applications. Okay, yeah, MS-DOS editor, sure. Oh, should we do the tutorial? We gotta know how to use a mouse. Hey, it's done. So it apparently only needs 6 CDs. Oh, you know what? I bet CD7 is for printers and CD8 is for network. That's probably exactly what it is. So let's just restart the computer. Why not? Let me get this situated a little bit better. Let's just type in Win. And hey, Windows for work groups. Hey, look, Windows. Wow. Hey, oh, hey. First things first, control panel. We need to set up some things and stuff. Sound. Apparently it has no sound driver, which is where good old Sound Blaster will come into handy. Okay, all of this is great, but none of this gives me fax, sound, mouse, ports, color, desktop, maybe that's it. Desktop, screensaver, wallpaper, icons, grid, pattern. Ooh yeah, give me that pattern. Where's it at? Where's my favorite? It's not there. It's not, my pattern's not there. What the hell? Screensaver, oh, we got the good screensaver. Oh wait, maybe it's here. Ah, Argyle.bitmap. Tile that shit. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So this is Windows 3.1. Very good. Very good computer box. All sorts of fun stuff. Games. We got Minesweeper. Oh, you 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Oh, there we go. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. There we go. 2. Oh dear, this one's a tough one. Uh-oh. Oh, I picked the wrong one. Shucks, wow. I could have, thought about that and figured it out, but nope, we're not doing that. We're done with Minesweeper. Control F4 used to be the thing. What is Windows setup? What does that do? Display. Change system settings. VGA. Ooh, hey, hold on. Oh, there we go. Ah, this is exactly what I wanted. What was this, 800 by 600? It contains disk 2. Ah, shit! Good thing I hit cancel and looked at the other options before putting that disk in, because I probably would have broke something, because there's a million other different VGA things. I don't think I have Video 7, whatever the hell that is. I'm assuming Super VGA, 256 color, and I can pick my font size, so small fonts, why not? Okay. So this needs disk 1, motherfucker! I just copied disk 2. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Unbelievable. It now wants disk 2 immediately? Tell you, Snoopy's getting a workout. That's for sure. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I thought those settings would be in Control Panel, but nope, they're in Windows Setup. Haven't used Windows 3.1 in, I don't actually think I've ever legitimately used this OS for anything besides, like, playing obscure games. So, there she is. After going through the true hardest gauntlet of operating systems, all the way from slackware to AT&T UNIX System 5 to, what else did I try? I tried, oh yeah, OS2 V1 by Nokia. None of them worked. Slackware did actually technically work. I just don't know how to get the disks properly. So if anyone can get me some actual floppy 1.44 floppy disk images of the A, maybe AP and maybe X, even though there's 20 of them and I probably don't want to use that, but yeah, I'd like to have X. I'd like to have a graphical environment on this thing because it's, you know, it's got a mouse. Yeah, if anyone can get me like actual floppy images of those files, that'd be great, because Slackware doesn't provide images. They just provide the files. And I don't know how the installer is expecting those files, and everything I tried didn't work. So there's Windows 95 on it. What an ordeal. That only took 4 hours plus all day yesterday, getting this computer working, getting this one set up with a floppy disk, and this one, oh my gosh, don't even get me started on this thing. I first tried Manjaro. Manjaro installed flawlessly, but Manjaro can't use floppy disk because Linux sucks dick at floppy disks, apparently. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll try XP. So I install Windows XP. Everything goes nice. It gets to boot. After it does its first install thing, it shuts down immediately the moment it goes into boot sequence. So I'm like, okay, I'll reinstall. Same thing happens. Okay, I'll reinstall again. Same thing happens. Okay, I'll try Ubuntu. Actual legitimate Ubuntu disk. If I can find the damn thing. Of course, now I can't find it when I need it. When I don't need it, it's immediately accessible. So I try Ubuntu 8.04. Install that. It doesn't install. So I try Ubuntu 8.10. That installs. It can kind of read floppy disks, but it can't write to floppy disks. It always says that they're full, no matter what, even with DD. So then we go to Vista. And Vista actually works. Vista works. Look at that. Vista's there. It can burn floppies. I can use Cygwin to DD images that my image burning software doesn't use. It's great. It's wonderful. It just works. Also, there's a 1 terabyte drive in there, so I could throw all kinds of fun stuff on it. So, that's the video. Okay, let me just make an addendum. Addendum to the video. I started installing Sound Blaster off the discs at 7. Okay? It is now 9:46, and we just got it installed. Now, the reason it took so long is because Disk 1 worked fine. Disk 2 kept giving me shit. So luckily, these disks are rewritable. So I went and found, for some reason, these Sound Blaster has like third part. Well, I wouldn't say third party, but it's got a Dr. Spatzo and the Parrot thing. So I went and downloaded the Parrot thing off of a different Sound Blaster version, rewrote those files, it worked. Then it gave me shit with Dr. Spatzo, so I rewrote those files, and now it works. And so then it just got installed. So that's great. We have sound now. We have Sound Blaster now, which should mean Test Drive 3 should sound different. Maybe. Forgive my camera work. But TD3 now it's gonna take a bit. There we go. So VGA, obviously. Now this this is kind of weird. So it gives me 5 options for sound. And we got PC, single voice sound, so that's what we had before. Got Tandy 3 voice, we don't have that. And then creative music systems. So is that Creative Lab music systems? Is that Sound Blaster? Then we got MIDI, which I guess I don't know if we have MIDI. But then we have AdLib or Sound Blaster. So I'm going to pick 5 because we have Sound Blaster. We're going to see, is the music different? It should be. Oh yeah! Oh man, Sound Blaster! Holy cow! That's awesome. So Sound Blaster works, it installed correctly and everything. Awesome.